I've met. Yes. Okay. So
Yes,
carry on.
I
Right.
saw the question,
Yeah, yeah.
but
So did you?
I couldn't really prepare.
Okay. So did
I
you
want to try.
practice? Yeah. Did you practice on such
No,
questions or not?
no. I cannot prepare, but I'm trying to give you answer as my best.
Okay. Yeah. Can you hear us? Can you hear me? Are you there, Shreya?
Sir, my name is Yoshi Ghosh. I'm from West Bengal. So,
Yeah. Good.
everyone, good evening.
Yeah. Good evening to you as well. Very warm welcome from me. Yeah. So would you like to describe yourself? Would you like to introduce yourself, please? Where are you from?
Sir, I'm from West Bengal,
Oh,
India.
okay. Nice. Nice to meet you. So we have some conversation. I have some questions with my student. Her name is Amber. So I'm going to ask some sort of a question from her and hope you will understand what's going on. So the first question, which I want to, Amber, please, what was the topic which I've given to you?
Sir, topic is hometown.
Hometown. Yeah, this is a very beautiful topic. And I would be so glad, I would be so happy if you elaborate yourself about that. What is the hometown? What's your hometown? What are the advantages of your hometown in detail?
Birthplace is our hometown,
Good, very good.
and my birthplace is a small village
Okay.
where I took birth. Uh, That is very clean.
Mhm.
People are very nice, very good. We have a rich source of uh, crops, wheat, vegetables, peas.
Cotton.
No, not cotton, peas,
Okay, peas. Okay.
vegetable peas.
Vegetable, yeah.
Yes,
Good.
vegetable. We have a lot of varieties, potatoes, onion.
What is special about it? Anything else which is a speciality in your hometown?
In my point of view, greenery. In
Okay,
my hometown, they are very rich in greenery.
good. Very good.
Atmosphere is very clean and neat. Air is not polluted.
Mhm. Is it easy to travel your hometown?
No, it's not easy. When you will go to city side, it's easy. When you start your journey to main village, it's difficult because it's hilly area.
Okay. So, what are the problems which you are facing in your hometown? Tell us.
Before some years, there was no gas.
Mhm.
We are using to cook, and shortage of electricity, shortage of pure water. But with the passage of time, we got electricity, we got gas, but still we have a problem with the purifying water.
Okay. And what are the advantages of being living in your hometown?
Advantage in summer season, there is no, we are not facing too much hotness. Weather is too much hot in areas in Rawalpindi or Islamabad. In my hometown, there is weather is middle. You can say it's easy to survive in the summer vacations or in the summer period, three or
It's
four
pleasant.
months.
It's pleasant. Yeah. It's good. Not hot,
It's
not too much hot. It's normal. Yeah. The pleasant weather in your hometown.
yes, yes, it is.
Okay. It is very good. Now we have another girl. Her name is Shreya. So if you have some questions from her, so you can ask from her. So Amber asked some questions from her.
Hello, Shriya.
Yes, hello.
Hello,
I'm from India, West Bengal.
West Bengal. And what's your profession? You are student. You are doing some job.
I'm student.
You are going to college or university or school?
University.
University. You are doing what?
Now I'm basically in BA Pol Science Honors. It's my third semester.
Okay,
Good.
okay, okay. Good, good, good. And what's your hobbies?
My hobbies is books, readings, and art. Like Madhubani art is I especially too much like.
Why you want to learn English? Why? What are your purpose to join to sir?
Yes, because it is national language and it is professional. As any other, you go conversation any foreigner and any place. So any other conversation to this language is better and it is
Sorry to say,
best.
sorry to interrupt you. It's not national; it's international language.
It's national because it is uh, it's more important because you go another side, so their side any work you go any work, so that's time their country provide any English as I'm sorry any English
True.
hello. So
Yeah,
I'm
that's
so not very I speak so
yeah, it's very good.
Okay,
It's
it's
very
okay.
good.
You carry on.
Communication. Yeah, communication is very good. Shreya, remember, as much as you will talk, as much as you will have the conversation, as much as you will polish your skills and your English will be fluent. And this is the criteria that practice makes a person perfect. So practice is very necessary, important for all of us. Uh, don't be shy because it's not our mother tongue. It's not our mother language. We can do mistakes in English, no problem. Through
Yes,
mistakes,
yes,
we
sir, it
learn
is.
also. Yeah, through mistakes, we learn. For example, I didn't learn English in 1 or 2 or 3 days. It took a long time, means I practicing with my friends, I was practicing with my students. So through practicing, I improved myself. And you can also improve yourself when you have a good practice with your friends, with your subordinates, with your teachers, with your relatives. So by this way, English is a language of speech, means we have to speak more and more, you will improve your English more and more. So this is what we are here.
Yeah.
One is having some frustration, anxiety, depression. So what he or she is supposed to do, eliminate his anger or her anger by which practice? Tell us.
Mm, sir, everyone have the different ways to reduce his anger or frustration. If you tell me according myself, I keep silent. I'm not going to any answer to anyone even about myself. I'm not talking about myself. I'm not giving answer to whatever question came in my mind. I just silent.
The thing is this, my dear, you give me a very right answer, but this is the one of the largest question which arise from all over the world's people mind. When you're angry, you cannot be silent at that time because you're frustrated, you're exhausted. Your example is just like a volcanic eruption. It's coming out.
No,
You will
I
shout.
understand what are you saying,
Yeah.
but if you are when some two persons are fighting, when two person are fighting, one is frustrated, one is angry, but other person is keep quiet because his mission is give them a kick to keep hyper. Then what should we? Why should we get hyper too?
Yeah.
We have to calm ourselves.
Yeah.
But
You're
it's
right.
not. It's not. Everyone cannot understand this.
No, many people can understand it, but this is all about that sometimes a person make you that much anguish. He's putting the blame on you. He is putting a lot of allegations on you. He's suppressing your personality. He's thinking you're nobody. He's just suppressing you again and again. And he is crossing his or her limits. And he is using abusive language for your family, for your loved ones. At that particular moment,
When
you
he
will
go
not be
away,
quiet. Yeah. When someone is
No
crossing the,
need to say anything in front of him or
sorry.
her. When he or she go away, you can cry, you can say anything.
Mhm.
When you say something in front of them, they become a happy. Their mission is successful.
Mm, that's true. That's true.
When
But
they gone, you can cry, you can say bad words to yourself, do whatever you want to do, but never open yourself about them in front of them.
okay, it's a good suggestion from your side. But
Control and be patient.
yeah, there are very few people like you who can control on their anger, and you have such a good quality in yourself, because I've seen a lot of guys, a lot of people, they don't have such
But
kind of
I,
a
I
quality.
learned after so long time. I learned this quality after so long time. Made a lots of losses about this problem. I am a very hyper person, very very.
And how did you control?
मैं तो अगले का सर खोल देती हूँ.
Mhm. How did you control?
इसको कैसे कहेंगे, मैं अगले का सर खोल देती हूँ.
I opened the head of someone, I injured him, I hit him.
I injured so many persons so many times.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You're so dangerous.
Yes, yes. Whatever in my hand, whatever thing is in my hand, I throw them.
Okay.
I am not seeing, I am not looking what it's going, what it's happening. Maybe
Mhm.
he will die or she will die with this. I don't
So,
care.
when did you control on your this habit? As you mentioned that you were so hyper and you were so aggressive. So, how did you control your this habit?
I wasted my 13 years with this foolishness.
Okay. Mhm. And finally, you realized
After
that.
13,
Mhm.
yeah, after 13 years, it's just become a second to change my mind. It's just take a second to change my mind.
Okay.
I just saw in some YouTube video or maybe an Instagram, people are thinking you cannot change their mind. What they are thinking about you.
Yeah, you're right.
Never ever. You
If a saint,
you
if
are a
a
good person.
yeah, if a saint is living with a satanic person, the satanic person will never be changed. You're right, absolutely. You
Yes,
cannot change
yes, yes.
someone's mind. If a good person is living with you, you can change
You
his or
are
her
a
mind.
very good person. You
Sorry?
Ishfaq Ahmed said,
Yeah,
maybe Ishfaq Ahmed said he is the Urdu philosopher, I think so. You might be know him.
yeah, yeah, I know
He
him very well.
said, you are a very good person. I accepted you are a very good person, but you are a bad in someone books.
Yeah, everyone is a bad person in someone's book. Yeah, that's true.
Yes,
So,
everyone is a bad in someone books.
yeah, so this is the criteria. You are right, absolutely stunning. Babaji Shuak
You
Ahmad Saab,
become
he was a
calm
great.
when you understand this.
Sorry?
This is not your responsibility what other thinks about you. It's not your responsibility. You cannot change their mind.
Yeah, mind,
Then
yeah.
why you become your life matlab, why you made your life hell because of others. Well wisher, someone is your best friend, your good friend, mother, father, parents, even your son, your daughters. If they are understand, they have no questions about yourself.
Yeah,
If someone raise question about yourself, your character, your thoughts, about your thoughts, it's mean there is a something problem.
yeah. There's a jealousy factor too much.
Wealth is not a one issue to jealousy.
Yeah.
Many other factors.
Mhm.
Maybe someone is good qualification, have some good qualification. Maybe someone is looking good.
Respect also, yeah. Someone is respectable.
Yeah, respect.
Also.
Good point. Respect also.
And there's a famous proverb of Churchill: if you throw the stones on every barking dog, you'll not be able to reach your destiny. So this is absolutely a
Mm.
stunning message. And this message is so deep message. These are only one or two lines, but it's larger than life. This message is larger than life. And it works a lot.
But in your life, I realized if like you are my teacher and you are telling me all these things, but I not understand or maybe not willing to understand. When I accept all these things, when my patience is finished, maybe someone learned at that time. He
True.
or she is trying to best make things better. But I think so when he lose hope, and if other person is not loyal with you, and you can see with your eyes what he or she is doing and what I am doing,
Yeah, there are different
then
aspects in
yes,
life, because sometimes a lot of hitting on your mind, on your brain, on your soul by someone's deceiving you. So definitely it will impact so hardly, so badly on
we are
your peace.
human. We are human, not an angels. Angels work is giving, not taking. We are
Yeah,
human. It's
yeah,
like giving, taking.
yeah,
If you are giving every time, you are not taking, or maybe you are not response good response, then your hopes and your brain and heart will dishurt.
yeah, exactly. Because we expect always nothing else from others but one thing, which is respect. If someone is not able to give you
My
respect,
question, sir, here is my question. My question, when, uh, we read we read so many books and so many quotes. They say no need to expect someone's. Is it right?
look, my dear, remember then when the God created the human being, the expectation wasn't in it. For example, I have to say you that what our parents do, they expect something from us? Yes, indeed, they expect something from us in return.
Yes,
For
yes,
example,
of course.
when we give the birth to the children, so for what purpose? That in when we'll get older, they will help us, they will support us. You sow a seed into the soil for what? For a plant, for a tree, for its fruit, for its shadow. So expectation is everywhere. For example, we are praying,
Yes.
we
Then
are
how is
praying.
possible we are going to do so much things for others, and we say no, 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 it's okay, it's okay. We are not a sadhu.
Yeah,
We are
we are
not a prophets. We are not the angels.
true, true, exactly. But you know that what it our religion says. Our religion says be moderate. Don't be extremist in anything. Whether you are helping someone, don't be extremist. Whether you are loving someone, don't be extremist. So it means if you are cross the boundary, you're damaging yourself. For example, excess of everything is bad. For example, if you're eating a lot of
Yes.
meals, it might damage our health. If you're doing a lot of exercise all the time, it will also damage our bones. So if we are helping too much to other people, so damage our personality. You have to expect from the God. Expectation only can be done by God. For example, if you expect from people what they will give you, what can they give you? They will give you only tears. Only good people, they will give you the benefit. The rest of the world will always become your enemy when you expect something from them. But when you expect from God, so God silently will help you, will make everything complete in your life. But it will take time because God checks our patience, He checks our tolerance. So, what God needs from us, tolerance and patience and gratitude, that we have to thankful to the
Yes.
God. The people come in your life to put the seed in your brain. At that time, the seed which I put by the order of God, it didn't help you. But it was that not a time. When the time came, that seed come out from the earth, from the soil, and now is flourishing, is growing.